Rosemary Ndlovu, ex-cop accused of plotting to kill relatives for insurance payouts. The former policewoman on trial for allegedly murdering and plotting to kill relatives to cash out on life insurance policies has been described by former colleagues as a regular gambler who often bought them lunch. Rosemary Ndlovu, who is facing 6 charges of murder, and others including fraud and attempted murder, was apparently very moneyed and generous to her colleagues at the Tembisa South Police Station on the East Rand. The widower of one of the 6 people who were murdered allegedly by their cop relative who bagged about our 1.4 meters in policies, for the first time saw the woman behind his wife's killing. Jabu and Klapa on Tuesday came face-to-face with his wife's son La Moda's alleged murderer, Rosemary Ndlovu. Exclusive footage presented in court, which has been crucial in the state's case against her. The footage was allegedly captured by an undercover police officer who had hidden a recording device in the car in which he, Ndlovu, and another recruited hitman were traveling. Alleged trail of bodies. The state alleged that Ndlovu had, over the years, cached more than 1.4 meters after the deaths of 6 of her loved ones. Her victims were listed as her cousin witness Madala Homu. He was murdered in March 2012 on his way home from work. His body was found dumped in Johannesburg and he had sustained head injuries. The state alleged Ndlovu had hired a hitman to carry out this crime. She claimed more than 131,000 from policies after his death, but did not assist his family with the funeral. Her sister Audrey Samiza Ndlovu. She was found poisoned and strangled to death in her rented room in Tembisa in June 2013. Ndlovu is alleged to have taken out numerous policies in her sister's name. She is also alleged to have called the insurance companies while posing as Audrey. It was then that she listed herself as a beneficiary to Audrey's policies. Ndlovu claimed more than 717,000 in insurance. Her boyfriend Yingwani Maurice Mabasa. He died in October 2015 after being stabbed more than 80 times. His body was dumped near the Olifantsfontein police station. None of his valuables were taken. The state alleged Ndlovu had taken out several policies in Mabasa's name and had recruited a man to take out life insurance policies while posing as Mabasa. On some insurance policies she had listed Mabasa as her spouse and herself as the beneficiary. She paid the premiums and cashed more than 416,000 after Mabasa's death. She contributed 40,000 to his funeral. Her niece La Moda. She died in June 2016 after claims she had been attacked in the streets of Kempton Park. At the time Moda was visiting in Ndlovu, 2 days before her death, she had been treated at the Tembisa hospital for scratches and bruises which she said came after she was hit by a bicycle. On her second admission, Moda was rushed to the Arwip Medical Center in Kempton Park, where she was found to have suffered fractured ribs and a damaged liver. Ndlovu allegedly cashed in almost 120,000 in policies for Moda. She did not assist the family when it came to burial costs. Her nephew Mayai Mashaba. He died in April 2017 on the same day he had arranged to meet Ndlovu in Davyton, Ekurhuleni. His body was found dumped near Olifantsfontein, with major head injuries. His cell phone records put him in the same location as Ndlovu at the time of his death. It was not immediately clear whether she had claimed on policies after his death. Her nephew Brilliant Masheo. He was the son of Audrey, whom Ndlovu is accused of killing several years earlier. Masheo died in January 2018 after allegedly catching wind of news that Ndlovu had pocketed cash after his mother's death. Ndlovu had taken Masheo under her wing with a promise that she would help him find a job. Masheo's body was dumped at a marketplace in Bushbuckridge a few days after he had left home to allegedly meet Ndlovu. It was unclear whether she claimed on any policies after Masheo's death. For the first time since she took the stand in her own defense, murder-accused and former policewoman Rosemary Ndlovu broke down and cried when she was due to testify about one of the 6 murders she is accused of committing. Shortly after her mother gave testimony in her defense, murder-accused Rosemary Ndlovu said she was happy to have been able to see and speak with her. Maria Mushwana, the mother of the former police officer who is facing a raft of charges ranging from murder, attempted murder and defeating the ends of justice, was permitted to see her daughter after taking the stand in the High Court in Johannesburg, sitting in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court on Thursday. The former police officer accused of murdering 6 of her relatives testified on Thursday that she had taken out 16 policies on her boyfriend amounting to more than $400,000. Ndlovu has made a complete change of heart towards journalists, more so photographers. She has realized that she is not on a fashion runaway and that her life or freedom is on the line. She is seemingly becoming more violent, threatening and a danger not only to those around her but to herself as well.